So this is an icebreaker activity, and I want to show you how you can use the Explore tool in Google Drawings. So in Google Drawings, it won't appear down here in the bottom right like it does in the other three apps. You actually have to go to the tools, and then you'll find it right there, Explore tool. Again, it's going to open on the right, and you can just type in what you're looking for. So I'm looking for would you rather ideas. So here's a list of ideas that I can use for would you rather scenarios. So I could choose from here if I wanted to do something that was more text-based using Control-C shortcut. I copied it. I'm going to create a text box and add it with the shortcut keys Control-V. Let's see, let's do Control-Z undo and do Control-Shift-V. There we go. And it keeps from, when you do Control-Shift-V, it takes away the formatting, so it takes away the highlight behind it. You could always make it larger so it's easier to see. Let's do 18, and then we'll change it to the same font. So that's one way of adding a would you rather. You could also do two images, pick over the two images and then explain why. So let's go to images, and we have a couple different types of, but these are based in would you rather. I think it's better to type in what you would want them to choose from. Cliff climbing. So something that maybe looks a little precarious. Oh, that looks very precarious. So let's look at that. We'll insert that one. So again, we're just giving them a choice of one or the other. So I could put in a text box right here that says or. So we'll change it to this. We'll make it a larger font. Bold, we'll make it in the center. And we'll type in the word or. And then we'll get another image. So another option we could have could be walking on hot coals. Let's look at this picture. Ooh, perfect. So again, we're doing a would you rather using the Explore tool to find different ideas for our icebreaker. And right now I'm using the outline tool or the border tool to add a border around the picture just to make it look a little bit nicer. I could put one around this also so that those participating can see what the two options are. So they can participate here in either the picture option or in the text option. And that's how you use the Explore tool in Google Draw. And students, if you're watching this, I hope you have a lot of fun researching your favorite curiosities and passions.